Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I did some grocery shopping and milk, mala, we have some food over there, chapati flour, we have this one for ugali. I normally use dollar, and we have spaghetti over here, we have cornflakes and Weetabix down there, and then we have some cubes, we have sugar, we have this one safisha. I normally like safisha. I use this one for washing vyombo, and this one I use on the bathroom wall. This is for glass cleaner and the windows, some wipes and some pampers for my baby. And on this side we have eggs, bananas, ripe bananas, some carrots, some broccoli, we have briganya, we have some green pepper, inaitwa hoho, inaitwa green pepper, whatever it is, ni hoho. Now we have this one for yellow one and the red one. We have some gourget, we have cabbage, and on this side we have some greens over there. I normally pre-boil them, then I put them on the freezer, then we remove when we are cooking. I like it that way. And on this side we have machungwa, oranges, we have nyanya, tomatoes, and we have viazi. That's it guys. My kitchen is not so tidy, it's in a mess. I need to get rid of that first so that I can clean my grocery. Yeah, let's get to it guys. So first of all, I'll just keep this away. This is the end result. When I arranged and sparkling, glowing for my liking. This is the end result. My fridge arranged. I have this small freezer over here. I have not so much. And then this is where I kept my tomatoes and holes and all that. My carrots. Yeah. This is how I arranged my fridge and I cleaned it. And this is how I store my greens. I just boil it for like 3 minutes and then I wait for it to cool down, and then I store it in the freezer. That's my pantry. That's my pantry, guys. So the the things that are left after I stock my shopping on the containers, the way I stock them. Mostly in this line, this is breakfast, all breakfast, dinner. And I love these guys. My kitchen towels, this is how I arrange them. All my sufurias and all that. My car. Yeah, that is the end result of my kitchen. I cleaned it. Yeah. Yes, guys. That's my car window.